In today's video, we will be learning how to making a AI model with Google Colab. So honestly, I don't know much coding whatsoever, but I have my good handy tool Gemini here, which is probably gonna fix it. So I already went ahead and I created a prompt. Literally, I asked it. So I'm going to be using Google Colab, and I want to train a model, and I don't have a model, so I'm asking it, which model should it do? And then you just ask for a data set of which it's gonna generate the code to get. And Google Colab, it's not gonna be able to download the entire data set. So you have to, it's called streaming. Yeah, just ask it to stream the data set and you'll be chill. And then, just ask it to give you all the code you need, stuff like that, how to test it, how to save it to your Google Drive. And, so we have it. Look, I don't know what it means by BERT. Did I do something wrong? Okay, I don't care. But let's do this. So, block 1 of code, install libraries and connect Drive. I also added my own Colab here. Honestly, just go to Colab and just do the setup until you get here. I don't know why Gemini's there. We honestly do not need this external Gemini. We already have this. Honestly, you can use any LLM for giving you the code, as long as it gives you code. So first of all, it said run this block. Let's do that really quickly. Just copy the code, paste it in here. What the heck? Okay. Paste it here. And guys, by the way, I don't have any real knowledge of this stuff. I'm just gonna do what it says. I don't know what streaming is, but I mean, it told me before that it needs basically streaming is taking a chunk of the data set. I don't know what distal BERT is, but again, I don't really care. I'm just gonna use it. So copy this. Now put that in there. Oh, okay. So I forgot to run this. Every time you do this, you have to run it before you do this. I actually did that again, but let's do that. Run. Oh, important tip, guys. I don't know why I haven't done this. Give me 1 sec, guys. You have to go to runtime, change runtime type, and no, I already have it. But if it's at CPU, you need to change it to T4 GPU, so that your computer doesn't get cooked, because we're gonna be handling a lot of data here. Okay, I didn't run that correctly. Let's do that really quickly. Okay, already downloaded a few. Okay, connect to Google Drive. We're gonna have to do this. Yeah, ignore that. Okay. So I connected it, and yeah, libraries installed and Drive connected. Form. I don't know what any of this stuff is, but basically it's a tokenizer. It turns the data set into code that the computer can understand. So I'm gonna run that really quickly as well. Let's see. And if there are any errors, just give the error to your LLM, do what it says, and it's gonna take a while. I don't know why. Yeah, because it's downloading the Wikipedia dataset. So just give it a minute and it will work. Okay, so Yeah, I don't know what happened here. Let's see. I'm just gonna copy all of this and tell Gemini, what the heck is this? And you have to put this error on what cell it was. So for me, it was error or cell 2. Right? I don't know what's happening. Yep, cell 2. From cell 2. And you got this. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. What's it doing? Okay. Before running this, go to top menu, runtime, restart session. Okay, so we're gonna do exactly what that says. I don't know what it's wanting me to do. What did it say? Restart session. Okay. Restart session. Start session, and it's restarting. Okay. Let's see if the runtime is still, okay, it's still T4 GPU as we want. Okay, let's run that one more time. And see, it should, is it done? Nope, it's still going. Guys, by the way, it will say a green, it will put a green check mark when it's done. Don't run it or do anything else before that. Just wait for that. From Transformers, okay. Then run this. So I'm just gonna copy this, Control A, Control V, cause I don't know what I was doing. Just run that one more time. I don't know what was wrong really. Let's see. I'm gonna check what was wrong. Okay, I don't know. There's like a new thing for this. Data streaming and ready. So let's see. Let's go to the next. Okay, I'm gonna ask it to, since it's new, I'm gonna, okay, block door. Alright, so we don't need to exactly do anything more because I guess it worked. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna just copy that. Press code, put that in there. Let's see, load the model. I don't know what any of this is again. Okay, there has been an error.
5 minutes later.
Okay, loading waits. Training started. This might take a while.
2 minutes later.
Training thing. Yay! Okay, that's good. It's saved to my drive and it's got it. Okay, let's see what we do next to train it. Okay. Training. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, it's saved, okay? So that's a good thing. Let's see. Okay. Let's run that really quick. Oh no. Okay. Let's run that. Okay, that's great. So it predicted Austin. Uh, okay, that's nice. Um, so here's our model. Now, I guess this is the text. It's the prompt, right? Now you can change this prompt, I'm guessing. Okay, let's see. The capital of, I'm just gonna do what? Utah? Hopefully it works again. Um, yes. Okay, let's make sure that's right. I don't even know what the capital of Utah. Capital of Utah. Yo. Okay. I guess it hasn't been trained that well. Maybe it doesn't know. And I don't think we can particularly give it the right answer either. What I'm gonna try to do is ask LLM, change the last piece of code. Wait. Okay. To the save the um save the, like, not the progress but the results into a new folder in Google Drive. Um okay. I'm gonna ask it one more time because we can't, like, okay, here's how it works. We can do it in chunks. You know how we did it, like, we trained, or we got the data set, right? Now, can we get another part of that data set is what I'm trying to ask it. Part of the data set and train again. Should use same code or should, or what? So it's gonna do two things. It's gonna change the last piece of code, save the result into Google Drive. That's great. Honestly, I'm just happy it works. I've never done something like this. Okay. Now, again, it's not the best thing ever. That's mask. Honestly, here's how it works. It predicts what it's supposed to be. Honestly, I don't know how that works completely, but yeah. I can change this up a little bit. So, okay, so if I do hello, okay, I'm gonna say good, and let's see. I wanted to see good morning, right? And I want to know what it would give us instead. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Make V3 for after. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it do that. I want to know if this does anything. Oh, oh, okay. It's pretty nice. It kind of works. Let's see. I wanted to say today. How are you today? Maybe today. Maybe. Okay, that's nice. I like it. How are you feeling? Now this is generative AI, which I don't really care that much, but yeah, that's great. I'm just gonna do this one more time, see what it gives me, and yeah. Um, wait a minute. Oh yeah, okay. I'm just gonna try running it a little bit, a few times. So, okay, yeah, let's do that. Again, honestly, I'm fine with this, but I want it to be a little bit smarter than than it was before. Let's see if I get encountering errors. This might take a while, so I'm gonna skip the video until it works.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so let's see. It's gonna finish. So this finished working. Oh yes, it finished. Oh my god. Okay, it worked. Now I'm gonna ask it to. No, so that was the third round of training. Um. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. What it says. So it's gonna check if it's smarter than V1, and it's gonna do the same question. Basically, if it's smarter, it's gonna the goal of AI is to replicate. I would say that it would replicate because it's artificial intelligence. So let's do that really quickly. Honestly, it's really easy to do this, and honestly, it was pretty fun for me. Let's test this out really quickly. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's see. One more time. I'm gonna do good day. I'm gonna try that one more time. Now, you could take this a step further, and you could ask it to somehow make a terminal thingy to make like a chatbot, but I'm not gonna do that today's video. I'm just gonna do the bare minimum. Again, this is generative AI and it generates things, but of course you can tweak the prompts a little bit and make it a neural network that can identify things. I don't think you can make an agent, but I don't know. Y'all can test it out. I'm gonna run this one more time, see what it does. Good luck. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Good morning. Okay, I'm gonna do good morning. How are you this fine? I'm gonna expect it to say morning. I don't know if it does or not, but let's see. Again, this is only like, yeah, it worked. But this is only three rounds of training, so I don't expect it to be that great. Like people do much more. You need to train it much more. Again, this is Google Colab. You're not going to be able to train so much on it, but it's just a starting point. So with that, that's going to end our video today. Hopefully you learned something about this. Again, you don't have to do exactly what I did. Yeah, so see you next time.